Shalom, shalom. This video is about the Gospel of John, chapter 11, verses 17 to 30. And it's about Martha's third prayer for Lazarus' restoration. And we read the text. So when Yeshua arrived, he discovered that Lazarus had been in the tomb already for 4 days. Bethany was less than 2 miles over the Mount of Olives from Jerusalem, and many of the Judeans had come to Martha and Miriam to console them about their brother. When Martha heard that Yeshua was coming, she went out to meet him, but Miriam sat in the house. Martha said to Yeshua, "Master, if you had been here, my brother wouldn't have died. But I know even now that whatever you may ask of God, he will give you." Yeshua said to her, "Your brother will rise again." And Martha said to him, "I know. He will rise again in the resurrection on the last day." Yeshua said to her, "I am the resurrection and the life. Whoever believes in me, even if he dies, shall live. And whoever lives and believes in me shall never die. Do you believe this?" She said to him, "Yes, Lord, I believe that you are the Messiah, Moshiach ben Elohim, who has come into the world." And after she said this, she left and she secretly told her sister Miriam, who still remained at home, "The teacher is here and is calling for you." As soon as Miriam heard, she quickly got up and was coming to him. Now Yeshua had not yet come into the village, but he was still in the place where Martha had met him. Martha's third recorded prayer after her brother Lazarus' death was to tell Yeshua that she believed that he is the Messiah, Ben Elohim, the Son of God, who has come into the world. She said this in response to Yeshua's question if she believed that whoever believes in him, even if he dies, shall live, and whoever lives and believes in him shall never die. And her short answer was yes. Martha probably addressed Yeshua as Adonai, but she may have internalized it by addressing him as Adoni, my Lord, because faith is an intimate personal matter. She said to him at the same time, testified to us that Yeshua is the Messiah and indeed that he is the Son of God who had come into this world to save us. She de facto agreed that every person who believed in him will live even if they die. In other words, they will never experience the bitterness of the clutches of death. Martha, the quieter, diligent sister, then went to call her more exuberant younger sister, who was always the crowd's favorite. She liked to play the crowd, to the place where she met Yeshua along the road. And if you have been bereaved, then Martha is also calling you to meet Yeshua there, along the road of your mourning, in a quiet place, outside of the hustle and the bustle of village life. We also meet Yeshua in the quiet places along the roadway of our lives. And I hope that gives you hope and food for thought. Shalom, shalom.